Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can build a campfire in Sons of the Forest, and I will show you all the sizes of the campfires in the Sons of the Forest. So the first campfire is out of the sticks, so this is just a small campfire. You will need to take your sticks and you can light it up, and as you can see, this is very small campfire, and the duration of this campfire is very low. And now what you can do is take a log, and first of all take your axe. Then you'll need to split your log in half, then in quarters, like this. Make sure you get 2 quarters, like this, and go to the next to your small sticks campfire, and you can put it like this, and you can light it up. As you can see, this is medium campfire. And now if you split it, this one, I will show you that you can build a bigger one. So place these quarter logs right here. Now take normal log, and what you'll need to do is place it right here. You can take another one log and place it next to here, as you can see, and now you can light this up. But if you want a bigger campfire, you can take 2 logs again and build it next to it, as you can see, like this. Let's take another one. Okay, and you can put another one, but I don't have other log right now, so let's light this up. As you can see, that's how build a bonfire in Sons of the Forest. So that's pretty much it, guys. Comment down below if you have any questions, and comment down below for the algorithm. So thank you guys, and see you in the next one.